Well, welcome to all of you from around the globe to PPI's second annual technical conference. I'm Gary Fisher, Executive Director of the Project Production Institute. It's great to see so much interest already in what leading thinkers are doing with project production management and operation science. So let's get the ball rolling by first making you aware of a few things that we have coming up at the Institute this year, and then how the day is going to unfold. So as you probably may be aware, we're very focused on education and training. We have two really nice partnerships, one with Stanford University, where we offer something called a modern construction program. It's really targeted at a company that wants to make a rapid change on implementing production management across their system. We also have another one, a partnership with Texas A&M called Next Generation Project Management, and it's more of an individual-based approach. You can see the outline is on the right-hand side. It starts with an introductory course that introduces you to production management, the underlying operations science, why this makes a difference. Once you become aware of and familiar with the basics, then you can go on and go deeper into a specialty course, either in engineering, procurement, or construction. When I go even deeper, then you can go forward with a capstone project and ultimately earn a specialty certificate. You get multiple of these, then you can actually earn a master's certificate. Really good program. I promise you that if you go to one of these, you will never see projects the same way ever again. We also offer customized workshops. If for some reason one of these doesn't fit your company's circumstances and needs, we can actually come to you. We also have multiple working groups. Several of these are in play and a couple are about ready to be launched. And we're bringing together like-minded people who want to collaborate in their segment on solving the problems that they face, be introduced to new ideas from other segments that may be of great use to them. If you're interested in these and want to learn more, the contact info is there on the slide. And we're heavy at work planning our annual symposium. We're going to be hosted this year by our partners down at Stanford, which is going to be really interesting because that opens up opportunities to take a peek at some of the things that they're doing in their research, like at the robotics lab. I highly encourage you to register soon. It's going to be a jam-packed time with people and companies sharing their stories on how use of production management has changed their project performance and changed their bottom lines. Some important dates coming up. Our next series of courses at Texas A&M are going to be 11th and 12th. These are in Houston for the intro workshop. And then we're going to have our first specialty workshops. The intro workshop is a prerequisite for the specialty. So we now have a large enough crowd that have gone through the intro workshops and now are going to join us for the specialty workshops. If you want to go through all, you can sign up for the whole mess that week, or please get signed up soon because space is limited and we've had to cut off registration in the past. And then the annual symposium is on the 5th of December. And again, encourage you to check that out and get signed up. And now there may be many of you who have heard something about production management. You're like a first time, you're checking us out, you're trying to what this is all about. You heard about our technical conference, and you're going to be exposed today to a lot of concepts and terminology. And we say, wow, that sounds like Greek to me. I don't have a clue what they're talking about. Well, I just want to, if you're new to this, I just want to strongly encourage, and it's almost like required reading. Get this book, Built to Fail, written by Todd Zabel, who is the founder of the Project Production Institute. And it takes you all the way from how construction got into the mess that we currently find ourselves in, and then what you can do about it. And this is just really, really important that you get yourself grounded in the basics here, and that'll make all of what you're going to hear about today make far more sense. All right, so let's get focused on today. The detailed agenda is on our website. If you haven't already found it, there's a link to it. Each presenter will have about 20 minutes, followed by 10 minutes for Q&A. We want you to send your questions to us through the Zoom chat feature, please. Don't use the question feature, use the chat feature. We'll be monitoring that and watching for your questions. And then, of course, all these presentations will be recorded and available post-conference.